start, you eat it, and then go to the next one. First person finish gets the phone compliment Digicel. 3, 2, 1, let's go. One hand, one hand, one hand. Put this behind your back, put that behind your back. Put the one behind your back. Behind your back. The one you're not peeling, put behind your back. One hand, peel and eat. Peel and eat. Peel and eat. Give us this there banana. Good potassium, it make it good energy, quick energy. Quick energy, quick energy. Let's go. One hand. Eat, 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 eat. You're gonna swallow everything. All right, eat. Eat, you done? Open your mouth. Let's see some more. All right, all right, all right, all right. Clean up your mess, please. Thank you very much. Clean up your mess. Thank you very much. God bless you. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the winner gets a phone. Compliments Digicel. Come on, put your hands together for a winner. Give us some love. Good banana, eat them on. Right? And they got to learn that she knows John 3:16. That's why she won. All right. All right. So they all got gifts, and we had a cake. Second position, Ella Batiste Kittel, and the best in the private house for one more time goes to Olivia De Silva, King. The best lit. Yes, Olivia De Silva, Canaan, sorry. Olivia De Silva, Canaan.
Yeah, she
won. So I'll take that again.
Yeah, she won.
Best lit private house. In fourth position, Wayne DuPont of Green Hill and Catman Stapleton of